Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing circle. In a previous section we discussed exercise point 1. Today's section I am going to discuss exercise 10.2. The first question is that recall that the two circles are congruent if they have same radii. Prove that the equal chord of a congruent circle subtended equal angle at their center. So here they given two congruent triangle. Congruent triangle, it means they have a same radius, right? And in a congruent triangle they have a say equal chord, and we want to prove here the equal chords subtended angles are equal. See here two circles are there, O and O dash are the center of the two congruent circles. So here AB and CD, these two are the chords, and these two chords are equal in their length. So we want to prove that the subtended angles are equal. Subtended angle at the center. So we want to prove these two angles are equal to each other, right? So first we can write the given the two congruent circle with the center O and O dash. AB and CD are equal chords of a congruent circle O and O dash respectively. Is it clear? So here we want to prove the angle AOB is equal to angle CO dash D. So we want to prove these two angles are equal to each other, right? So proof. In a triangle AOB and triangle CO dash D. So in these two triangle AB is equal to CD, they only given AB is equal to CD given, right? And AO is equal to CO dash and BO is equal to DO dash, because the radius of the congruent triangle, right? So in a congruent triangle radius are equal. So write down AO is equal to CO dash, BO is equal to DO dash. So reason here, radii of congruent triangle, congruent circle, right? So in these two triangle the corresponding sides are equal, means these two triangle are congruent to each other. The triangle AOB is congruent to the triangle CO dash D by SSS rule. So now these two triangles are congruent to each other. It means their corresponding parts are equal by CPCT. So angle AOB is equal to angle CO dash D. So therefore angle AOB is equal to angle CO dash D by CPCT, corresponding part of a congruent triangles. So hence proved. Is it clear? So well students, the next question, second one, prove that if chords of a congruent circle subtended equal angle at their centers, then the chords are equal. So this question is converse part of the previous question, right? So in the previous question we proved that the chords are equal, then their subtended angles are equal, right? So now they given here the subtended angles are equal. In a congruent circle the subtended angles are equal. We want to prove here the chords are equal here, right? So here they given two congruent circle, and here AB and CD are the chord. Congruent circle they have a subtended angle, equal subtended angle. These two angles are equal, and we want to prove here AB is equal to CD, right? So first write down given So what they given here? Two congruent circle with centers O and O dash, AB and CD are chords of the circle with centers O and O dash respectively. Such that also they given here subtended angles are equal. The angle AOB is equal to angle CO dash D. These two subtended angles are equal, right? This much they given. So here we want to prove the chords are equal. To prove what we want to prove here, the chords are equal. AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. Then prove. So prove here. Prove in a triangle AOB and triangle CO dash. So in these two triangle, subtended angle equal, they only given, right? The angle AOB is equal to angle CO dash D given, and radius are the equal because these two circle are congruent circle. AO is equal to CO dash, BO is equal to DO dash, right? Radii of congruent circle. So now these two triangles are congruent to each other. So therefore the triangle AOB is congruent to the triangle CO dash D by SAS rule. Side angle side rule, right? So these two triangles are congruent to each other means their corresponding parts are equal. So by CPCT, AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD by CPCT. Corresponding part of a congruent triangle. Hence, true. Is it clear? So these two questions says that in a congruent circle, the chords are equal means their subtended angles are equal. And another one, the subtended angles are equal means the chords are equal. Chords are equal means their subtended angles are equal. Subtended angles are equal means the chords are equal. Vice versa. Is it clear?